we have the shape ABCD, and we're told that point X is on AC such that A to X, or AX to XC, is in the ratio of 1 to 3. I need to prove that BX is equal to 3/8 of BD. So first of all, let me actually mark on point X onto my diagram, because that's the crucial thing here. So it's on the line AC, so let me draw in AC. And I know it's going to be slightly closer to point A than point C, because I'm told that it is split in this ratio. So X to A is worth 1 part. Let me highlight this to make it clearer. So AX is the 1 and XC is the 3. So this is 1 part, this is 3 parts. So overall there are 4 parts there. This is 1 part of the 4. This is 3 parts of the 4. So this is 1/4 of the whole line, and this is 3/4 of the whole line. Right, now, in order to prove this statement, I need to figure out an expression for BX. Then I'm going to get an expression for BD, and then show that BX is equal to 3/8 of BD. So first of all, BX, let me do that first of all. Now, to go from B to X, let me actually draw that onto my diagram in a different colour. BX is like this. So to go from B to X, I'm going to write that as B to A plus A to X. So B to A plus A to X. Now the B to A, that's easy enough. I know it's equal in size to the 4A, but in the opposite direction. So that is just going to be minus 4A. The AX is a little bit trickier, but I do know that AX, remember, was 1/4 of AC. It's 1/4 of AC. So just on the side here, I'm going to write down AX equals 1/4 of AC. Now, A to C, I can work out. A to C, I can work out as being, let me just get a different colour. A to B plus B to C. So AC equals 4A plus 3B. And AX is 1/4 of that. So I can write that down here, is my AX. And I can simplify this a little bit. The 1/4 of 4A will just be A, and the 1/4 times the 3B will be 3/4 B. I can also collect up these two like terms here, so I'll get minus 3A plus 3/4 B. And this is my expression for BX. Let me put a box around that. Right, so that's my BX. Now let me get an expression for BD, and then I'm going to try and compare them and show that BX is 3/8 of BD. So I'll do BD in red. Now BD, so that's from here all the way up to there. I could write that as being B to C plus C to D. So if I was to highlight that onto my diagram, it's B to C plus C to D. Now, B to C, that's easy enough. I know what that is. That's 3B. C to D is in the equal but opposite direction to the 8A plus B. So the opposite direction to 8A plus B will be minus 8A minus B. So now I can collect up these like terms together. The 3B minus B is 2B, and the minus 8 will stay like that. So this is my expression for BD. So let's just finish this question off now, because now I've got an expression for, I've got the expression for BX, I've got the expression for BD separately. Now I just need to show that 3/8 of BD is the BX. So down here, 3/8 of BD. Let's work this out. So 3/8 of 2B minus 8A. So the 3/8 times 2B is 6/8 of B. The 3/8 times 8A, or rather times minus 8A, will be minus 3A. And I can actually simplify this a little bit, because obviously the 6/8 is the same thing as 3/4. So this is my 3/8 of BD. And now let's just compare that. Compare this to my BX, and hopefully you can see that they are the same. So I'm just going to say dot, dot, dot. Therefore, BX is equal to 3/8 of BD. And we're done. So the key thing with these questions, mark the diagrams on carefully, mark the extra points onto your diagram carefully. So mark on point X there carefully. Turn the ratio into a fraction that you can use with the vectors. And then this is telling you to work out the BX and the BD separately, and then combine them together at the end to complete your proof.